Alright, you're on. He's a maniac, and he welds all day and dances in a joint all night. And then they got buckets of water and strange things to make men go to the theater.
Now push the top button.
I thought we were making a good one.
We did.
Oh, this is a really short good one. We're not making a longer good one? Let's not record that.
Nobody's going to see that.
We'll save that part for Chippendales in about...
Oh.
Oh. That's the pensive thinker. Wait.
Do the top button.
And then we're gonna stop?
Yes, and make the movie.
Hammer time.